Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to unbox the Amazon Fire HD8, the 2022 release of the Amazon Fire HD8. We'll be following this video up with a setup video where I go through my tablet setup. So be sure to be subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube if you want to see more about the Amazon Fire HD8, as well as the rest of our coverage of consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. So this is the Amazon Fire HD8 2022. I purchased it on Amazon during a Black Friday deal, and I've been quite busy since then, so I haven't had time to unbox it and set it up. Packaging is slightly different from how I remember Fire tablets being a few years ago. It isn't a wedge shape, it's a standard box shape, but apart from that, it's pretty straightforward. There's a bit of imagery on the box that shows you the contents and some of the key features of the device. It has a high definition display, micro SD slot, 2 GB of RAM, and in general, it's a faster device than the previous 2020 release one. So I'm going to open the packaging. We've seen the specs, we've seen the basics on there. Okay then, so let's take out the tablet, and as we can see, there's very little plastic here in the packaging to the Amazon Fire HD8. So the tablet itself gets wrapped in what is a paper wrapping, which is really interesting to see. So it's a paper wrapping there. And then inside the cardboard insert that keeps everything in place in the box, we have, in this case, a UK mains charger, again with paper wrapping. This is a 5-watt charger, which outputs power at 5.25 volt at 1 amp. So it's actually slightly higher than 5 watts by the looks of it. And then there's a quick Fire HD8 welcome leaflet, as well as important information about it. And there is also a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable wrapped again in paper. So very good in terms of packaging here. So as you can see, it's USB Type-A on one end that goes into the power brick to USB Type-C. So I'm really impressed with this very sustainable paper-based wrapping for the tablet. And then there's the tablet itself. In terms of feel and look, it looks pretty good. I'll just quickly pop this on so you can have a look at that HD display and the Amazon logo coming up. We have the selfie camera at the top there, showing itself off. It's in the middle of the long side of the Fire tablet. At the back we have the camera that's capable of full HD recording. They're basic cameras, but for a tablet which I purchased for less than £50, specifically for, in this case, £41.99, I think this is a pretty good deal. So key products inside the box: charging brick, 5 watts charger, USB Type-C cable, and the tablet itself. Let's have a quick walk around of the hardware. Obviously, we've looked at the back. There's a bit of an Amazon logo embossed on the back here. Selfie camera. At the top, we have the 2 stereo speakers, left and right. At the front, we have the display with the selfie camera. And if we look at the right side, we have the volume rocker, which, as with other tablets from Amazon, is contextual. So if you're holding it in this manner, your volume up is up and down. If you're holding it in this manner, it will switch around. So very clever of Amazon in that respect. USB Type-C port is on the same side, as well as the Courage port. Yes, that's a 3.5mm audio jack. So in terms of hardware, all pretty straightforward. The only other thing to note is at the bottom here, there is a little slot for a micro SD card. I will do a dedicated video later on how to expand the Amazon Fire HD8 with a micro SD card. But for now, I think we'll wrap up this quick video of the unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD8 2022 release. Thanks for watching, and I'll follow this video up tomorrow with the setup video. Be sure to be subscribed, have that notification bell clicked on so that you're notified when we release new videos. This is just the beginning of our Amazon Fire HD8 2022 release coverage, so we hope you're going to subscribe and be back to watch our next videos. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me. Whoops, and there we have a cat.